If you're a startup founder with plans to go to the US, this program will make it happen. It'll give you the foundation to get there and do it right.
Hi, I just want to share a little feedback from one of our cohort founders, Ed.
I'm Ed Barraclough, CEO and founder of DroneHand. At DroneHand, we use machine learning-driven autonomous drones and fixed camera systems to redefine livestock management, to increase efficiency, safety, reduce risk, and most importantly, increase profitability and food security for the future. The Oz2US program gave us a fantastic background on all the things that we need to know to build a plan for entering the United States market. Everything from planning out our go-to-market strategies and realizing the differences between how that might work in Australia and how that works in the US. An ideal customer persona in Australia may be very different in the US market. There are so many little tips and tricks given to us by invited experts who joined in either as panels or individuals in the sessions, and then Australians over there in the US who are making a go of it, who are succeeding as startup founders in the US. And then of course, throughout all of this, we've got this enormous database of artifacts that we can use to create our own foundation, our own blueprint for how we're going to scale into the US and even beyond. And lastly, Rob makes it enjoyable, creating a cohort of people that are sharing a goal to enter the US and enter the global market successfully together. The program was awesome. You know, if you're a startup founder like me with plans to go into the US, this will give you the foundation you need to get there and succeed. I couldn't recommend it more.
If you want to prepare, de-risk, and accelerate your US expansion, join us.